So today we're gonna install a new automatic faucet. So we can open it. Gonna check our parts, what we got, what we don't have. Okay, we have that control unit. That's this bag. Okay, open it. So we got it out. What we got over here? All right. Okay, put that thing out of the way. They give us I think it's a wrench. Put that on the side. They give us the screws. They give us some Teflon tape. What else we got with here? Okay, we got the plate. What is this? The filter. Okay, we put it on the side. We got the valve, the heat control valve. That's it. We don't need that. So that's it. That's the heat control. Very good. We got the plate to put the faucet. Okay, that's good. Put it right here. Got the little screens. That's garbage. On the side, and now we have our hoses. We got 3 hoses. Okay, good. And we got the main piece right here. That's what we need. Okay. So that's everything is coming with the kit. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna install it. It's a nice brass. I like it. Beautiful. All right, that's all we got. So this is gonna be right here. Nice. And that's the instructions that we have. Okay, number 1, sensor body. Number 2, you put it in. Okay, so let's see. Okay, first thing, we gotta remove the nut so we can put it through the plate, and then with the washer. Then when it goes underneath the sink, we go in and tighten them up. Okay, so let's take the nut and this out. And now we're gonna put the wire through this little plate like this. Okay, and now we're gonna put this through the hole. It has a long hole, so you can put the wire through it like this. Okay, so now that you have it like that, you put it through there. First you put the wires, go all the way down. Now you put the rest of the stuff, line up the gasket underneath so it doesn't move. Okay, so now we go underneath and put this first. Okay, this has no threads. It has this little section where the wire is gonna go through it right here, and then we'll put the nut. Okay, so let's go underneath and check it out how it looks underneath. So it's over there. It's way up there. Okay, so we put the rubber piece first. And then we put the chrome piece with the open slot. There's the wire right there. There we go. And now we put the nut. Hopefully that stays there and don't fall. Okay, so good. So now we'll put the nut on it. Make sure the wire stays through the chrome piece little slot. You don't want to cut the wire. The wire is important. Okay, right there. The finger tight. I'm gonna line it up, and then oops, and then we tighten them up with the wrench. Oops, see, it's not lined up. Now it's lined up. All right, so now we go get the wrench. Okay, so now this is the tool that we're gonna need to tighten up the nut. Okay, so let's go underneath again. Okay, so what you're gonna do with this is you're gonna go, oh, I got it the other way. Okay, so you're gonna go in like this. Hopefully you can see because this thing is, okay, come on. Okay, so that's the tool that you need. Okay, what this thing does, it opens this. You put the nut right here and then you can twist it. This is like a pipe wrench. And to tighten them up, you go this direction, and to loose it, you flip it and you go the other direction. Okay, you need this. Okay, it's really cheap. You need one. Okay, always keep one in your toolbox. Let's see if it's lined up. Okay, a little bit sideways. We can straighten them up. Okay, we can still move a little bit. Don't go crazy because you can cut the wire. So that's it. It's nice. It has its filter on it. So now we're gonna put the hoses. Okay, so we got two hoses. We have a hot and cold, and we have our main hose. This hose is gonna go to the faucet, to the valve, to this one, and these two, they're gonna go to the valve, to the shadows valves down there. Okay, let's see. Okay, this thing has some things on it. This one is out, this one in, so this valve is gonna go right here. Okay, I put all my hoses on because my valves are way far away, so I want to make sure to put this thing in the right place. Make sure you plug this red one with the black one, and now you can go ahead and close it. And now we're gonna find the best place to put our valve, and that's it. So let's see what we got down here. Let's see what we can put. This bracket is lights out, so whenever it's gonna go, that's where we're gonna put that bracket. Okay, so we have this one, which is the main one. This one is gonna go up there to this. Okay, we can tighten them up later. But now, what we're gonna do, gotta find the best place to put this thing. Let's see what we got. So I'm guessing we can put this right here. Let's see. I want to twist the line a lot. Okay, so this is how it's looking so far. Okay, I put my lines in it. Now I'm gonna make some put some bolts to put the bracket on. This is our bracket right here, this one. So we're gonna put the bracket so we can slide that thing on it so it stays there. Okay, so that's why we got it. I put it upside down because my hoses don't reach the other way, but it's still gonna work even if it's upside down, so that's fine. So now we're gonna connect this thing. Okay, so this is how we're gonna connect it. The wires are coming from up there. We're gonna put the red with the red, black with the black. It has two little slots in the side. That's where they're gonna come out. Right there. Now you can close it. Okay, so now you can put some wire ties or something just to make it a little bit nicer. Okay, and that's it. Plug it in. Put some wire ties over here so it looks neat. Tighten them up. I didn't tighten them up yet because I wasn't ready. I didn't know if that was gonna be good like that, but I like it. So my base is a little loose. That's fine, I can fix that. Alright, so that's how we install it. And we don't have the drain yet, so we're not gonna test it, but that's how it should work. If it's too hot or too cold, you will adjust it with this. You move it. Alright, so that's how we put our automatic faucet on our bathroom sink. Okay, bye bye.